At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, history is replete with men and women who have committed the most heinous crimes against their fellow human beings. They kill and maim without mercy, sparing no thought for children, the elderly, nor the most vulnerable among us. The individuals responsible for importing illegal guns and ammunition into this country are among that evil lot, absolute scum of the earth, who, by their morally indefensible actions, have forfeited their right to live among law-abiding citizens. My wisdom warriors, let me tell you something, yeah? Because I sit down and I pray everything will go on, yeah? I pray everything will go on. You see, since the Jamaica Labour Party come in power, a pure problem. Pure K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Pure K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Other day, me show you say, Horace Chang is not an easy old man. Simple as I see him there, you know. Simple as I see that man. That man in 2004, you know. That man, Horace Chang, was involved in organized crime. It upon Google, and I not hide. He was involved in money laundering and organized crime. Not hide. You go and go Google it. It upon Wikipedia. And you know say anything with upon WikiLeaks. You know how it go. You know say anything with upon WikiLeaks is correct. You understand me? And I not hide. So when I see Andrew Holness make a man that is involved in crime and violence, organizing crime and violence and money laundering, and that man is the national security for Jamaica, for our country, and that same man is the deputy prime minister. How? How could Andrew Holness allow such a man? How? You understand me? How? But you see how them drag ISAT. You see how them drag ISAT, my wisdom warriors, and Andrew Holness know very well that he have a money laundering man and an organizing crime man sitting right next to him, and him out here making labor rights supporters, including themselves, a drag ISAT. Seriously. You don't ever wonder why Horace Chang can't fly? Holy pat meetings in go. Him can't go, Andrew Holness have to go. Him can't go, you know. Because they don't give him no visa. He can't go back America. You don't never know that. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. On May the 10th, visiting WHA Car Office Director Brian Nichols, accompanied by Pauloff, met with James Robertson, Deputy Leader of the Jamaica Labour Party and Member of the Parliament for Western St. Thomas, addressing the May 3rd and 4 murders of 3 police officers and a private security guard in Kingston. Robertson characterized the killings as stand-alone acts of terrorism perpetrated by an independent group of disaffected young men. My wisdom warriors, this is from Google. I get this from WikiLeaks. My wisdom warriors, every information is there. This information issued by the Public Library of U.S. Diplomacy. Robertson described the gunmen as pot-smoking and Bible-thumping, adding that 2 of the killers who were shot to death by police shortly after murdering the policeman both had their heads wrapped in the style of some Rastafarians. Number 3, responding to the suggestion that the killings might have been politically motivated and linked to the JLP fiercely loyal West Kingston constituency because one of the dead gunmen was identified as the brother of JLP Link West Kingston gang leader Christopher Dodoscoke. Robertson denied any connection to the usual retributive gang violence that is common in inner city neighborhoods, supporting his theory that the murders were not sanctioned by organized criminals in West Kingston. He drew an analogy to the Columbine High School killings in Colorado, asserting that acts of violence can be planned and perpetrated without the knowledge or complicity of their families or communities. To further support his claim, Robertson related a telephone call he received from the brother of the owner of Marksman Security, the private security company that employed the guard who shot and killed Christopher Coke's brother. Wanna hear them something, my wisdom warriors? We get in there because all Horace Chang name a call. Wanna hear me? We get in there. But I want to listen and follow. I want to listen and follow my wisdom warriors. So when we out here and I say Horace Chang involved, yeah, in a crime, organizing crime or violence or money laundering, and we just say that. The documents are there. The documents there. You understand me? Anyway, let me continue because so we have to get down to the nitty-gritty. The caller was concerned about rumors that, as the brother of the company's owner, he would be killed to avenge the death of Coke's brother. After making a few calls, Robertson assured the caller that no gangs were seeking to KILL him out of retribution. Instead, he said the gangs intended to deal with the unruly assailants themselves. Unbeknownst to Robertson, shortly after the killings, Charge received an urgent call from the Mexican DCM, who told him that the Jamaican owner of Marksman Security, fearing for his family's safety in the aftermath of the shootings, had requested a Mexican passport for his infant child, whose mother is a Mexican citizen, because he intended to take his family to the U.S. until the local situation settled down. Mexican DCM asked whether Embassy Kingston would then facilitate an urgent NIV insurance for the child so that the family could depart. My wisdom warriors, listen, all this information is on WikiLeaks. Go on Google and you type in WikiLeaks, it's on it, my wisdom warriors. Wanna hear me? All right, let's continue. Goldin first month as leader. My wisdom warriors, this is Bruce Goldin, asks whether the newly installed leader of the opposition, Bruce Goldin, would be able to control the violence in his West Kingston constituency, which some observers assert is intended to test Goldin's resolve. Robertson expressed confidence that he would. He disagreed, however, with Goldin's recent public comments criticizing the police for unfairly stigmatizing his constituency. Note, this is on May 8th. Goldin accused the JCF Deputy Commissioner for Crime, a senior British policeman on secondment to the JCF, of wrongly stigmatizing West Kingston in the matter. Bruce Goldin was publicly criticized by the People's National Party, PNP, and news media for his comments. Robertson speculated that Goldin was caught up in the moment when he defended his constituents by criticizing the police force. He expressed regret at his party's leader's handling of the situation, saying that Goldin could have pandered to his constituents in private without making controversial remarks. Bruce Goldin was positive on Goldin's performance in his first month as JLP leader. He offered that once the party recovers from Goldin's recent damaging comments, Goldin would continue to wage a strong campaign for the prime ministership. Robertson opined that Minister of National Security Peter Phillips is the PNP only serious contender to succeed PJ Patterson because he is the only one with the strength to win. He added that Goldin continues to distance himself from Robertson and other young Turks within the party who helped to orchestrate Goldin's rise to power. Robertson explained that many of Golding advisors fear him and his reformist colleagues because of the political power they wield. Robertson and the group of young Turks are credited with being largely responsible for Siaga's ouster. My wisdom warriors, Robertson further explained that he is feared by some for his suspected ties to illegal activities. Fast forward, my wisdom warriors. As in previous meetings, Robertson repeatedly mentioned that he has been branded with the suspicion of being involved in illicit activities. He is partially correct. Strong suspicion might be a more accurate assessment. In truth, like many Jamaican politicians of whatever party affiliation, Robertson is known to associate with criminal elements. The fact that both he and a fellow young Turk, JLP Deputy Leader Horace Chang, carry the strong whiff of impropriety probably has much to do with Golding's post-victory policy of keeping them at arm's length. Also, Robertson and Chang earned the enduring wrath of the former opposition leader and Prime Minister Edward Siaga in their ruthless but effective campaign to unseat him and Bruce Golding, who needs to reach out to the still influential Siaga and his supporters to consolidate his own leadership of the JLP, cannot afford too close an association with friends like Robertson and Chang, who carry so much baggage. Interestingly, neither Robertson nor his reformist colleagues within the JLP have publicly objected to having been sidelined within the party by Bruce Golding in recent weeks. Robertson insisted that his underworld garrison sources were unaware that the police killings would take place and were displeased with what transpired, while his assertions track with some reports that West Kingston gang leaders are at odds over the murders of police. My wisdom warriors, I all it more for read, Jaja, all it more. Me tell you, say, if you no go on Google, all information is there. You understand? So when you see Horace Chang sit down and I sleep, and I want a good man, because it is alleged and him and his nephew are run off Montego Bay. It is alleged. Yeah, it is alleged. My wisdom warriors, and me get it from good source. Good, when me tell you, say good source. When me tell you, no, my wisdom warriors, good source. Mighty God of Daniel. So you see all of them guns there, everything, it is alleged at the nephew. Wanna hear me? Horace Chang have a nephew there. My wisdom warriors, it is alleged. So Horace Chang, I know an easy boy. Simple as you see him there, sleep. A general. Wanna hear me? A general. Go up on Google, type in the things them, una go see Horace Chang come up. So when me hear them attack all the time about ISAT, listen. It's all, you see all Andrew Wellness? Hey, Andrew Wellness say he come in a politics with 100,000. 1997, you know. 1997, Andrew Wellness have 100,000. He say he come in a politics with 100,000. But my wisdom warriors, me I go show you something. Me have to max it out. Andrew Wellness was a financial controller, you know. Andrew Wellness was a financial controller. That was his occupation. That was his job. Lord Jesus, and when me think about it, how Andrew Wellness come by this 100,000? Remember, you know, when you're a financial controller, you know, that means you're in a one senior role a deal with the people, the money. Lord Jesus, you must know where me I go with this. If people never realize that their money missing, wait. The people them never realize that their money missing. Where Andrew Wellness get 100,000 for going to politics, But him the stocks and bonds, But him the stocks and bonds, my wisdom warriors. Take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, when you click on this, when you go on Google and you click on it, it brings you straight over to Facebook. Yeah? This say Andrew Wellness entered politics in 1997. Yes. He came in with an investment of 100,000. He said US dollar between stock and bonds. He doesn't own a car. No Andrew Wellness not own. But Andrew Wellness have 100,000 US dollar. You tell me now, remember, you know, at the time Andrew Wellness was working as a financial controller. Hey, a long time in my thief, you know. We allegedly thief. Lord God. My wisdom warriors, a long time this a brother a thief, you know. If people they never realize that their money are missing little by little. Eh? This man was a financial controller according to him. I want to know say a financial controller is a senior role. And them deal with money. Rotted. And you honest have no business. Nothing. So I will tell you say, in the stock and bonds, and you honest can't trick way. I'm tired to tell you. You only can trick the labor right. Because the labor right, them put out this on my wisdom warriors. Yes. And them put it out. And I talk about Andrew Honest having money through stock and bonds. Lie. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. My wisdom warriors, Andrew Honest a long time thief. Wanna hear me? Hey, talk your mind TV say, I thief in boy from Spanish Town Road. It bad, you know? It really, really bad. Andrew Honest, we know so you know do no stock and bonds. Lie I tell. Lie. Nothing no go so. I don't believe that, my wisdom warriors. Yeah? I don't believe that, but I want to put 1 and 1 and 2 and 2 together. Match that out for me. He was a financial controller, so I know all the things that already. It seems to me like what he's doing now are the same thing him did that. That's so. 100,000 US. You come up with 100,000 US in our own business, no, and I talk about stock and bonds that try to trick people. Hey, Jamaican people are joke with them. I say it all the time. You no fear handle few with financial affairs. You nor your wife. My wisdom warriors, Jamaican people, and you honest are the biggest investor in Jamaica. Wanna hear me? All of them contract there, all of them building there. We are build. And you honest a real estate developer, him and his wife. His wife a real estate developer. Them a investor. So all of the contract, that's why you see us come up with the idea say him a bill. Him a bill because they're gaining. And them a get the whole like contract them. You know see what go on. The man no care. Look how much place them bill. And right now we don't even have equipment. Nothing now go on. Nothing now go on at the place where they say them bill and cut ribbon, you know. Enough of the place them no open up. They don't have staff. They don't have equipment, my wisdom warriors. Because when you're a builder, you just build. You don't care what will happen because you don't get your money already. Jamaican people read between the lines. Labor right. Read between the lines. Andrew Honest is a businessman. Andrew Honest is not a prime minister. He might use the prime minister ship and are doing rubbish behind. A businessman. This man, a bill, he just come up with the idea through is the government. Because he's the prime minister. Since all right, I'm going to build this. Because he might take money. And that he might do. So what him do now, we just build this or build over this and get the contract. You understand? But that's why when I see ask him where money come from, he cannot tell us where the money come from, my wisdom warriors, because I of them get the whole of the contract them. They get the whole of the contract them. And hey, we know what I do, you know. We know what I do. We know what you do, Andrew Wellness. We know what you're doing. And I want uno people, uno labor right, uno to have sense and stop talking about Mark Golding. Stop talking about Mark Golding have this and Mark Golding have that. Mark Golding no use taxpayer money and charity money build up himself. Mark Golding never do that. So uno have to have sense. The reason why it is illicit enrichment because they might enrich themselves with taxpayers' money. You understand? This is why they can't find nothing upon Mark Golding. Uno have to have sense labor right because Mark Golding not take taxpayer money and do nothing and build up himself. Andrew Wellness do that, him and the rest. Una have to read between the lines. Una have to have understanding. So then can't go down for Mark Golding. Mark Golding I use him own money. So me hear some fools out here. I talk about Mark Golding is doing this with his money. Mark Golding can't do anything with the money because I'm not taxpayer money, brother. I'm not donation money. Una have sense. Me hear some people who say them are top journalists. I chat off them. I just show me no one play them on my channel. Some people who did it for a long time, I can't believe when me hear them talk. I talk about Mark Golding is hiding this and Mark Golding is hiding that. Hello? The reason why I see is down for Andrew Holness because Andrew Holness money come from taxpayer. Uno for have sense, Mark Golden money don't. Hello? Jesus mercy. Boy, uno just a take off. Hey, uno real idiot, you know? Uno Jamaican people, somehow uno feel me. God know uno feel me, man. Jesus, me disappointed in uno. Uno journalists. Uno journalists out there, we are different Andrew Holness. And uno know in our heart say Andrew a thief. He's a criminal. He's a criminal. Jesus. No, so no different still, you know. I saw no love one man. Where am I give you no? When I get some of the billions, uno not get none. None, uno not get. The highest uno could have get a 120,000 or 150,000. And this man, Andrew Holness, a billionaire. Uno know how much money gone missing? Over 3 trillion unaccounted for. When it's unaccounted for, it gone missing, my wisdom warriors. It gone missing. See it there? Andrew Holness make it international. See it there? He make it international. Ministry of Education alone, 902 billion unaccounted for in the Ministry of Education. Ministry of Health, 695 billion, nearly 700 unaccounted for. And Ministry of Labor, 53.4 billion. And una joke with Andrew Holness. I said Andrew Holness a good somebody. Me say, hey, somehow no want some liquid switch. Seriously. Una grown and a different Andrew Holness. Eh? Come on, you shouldn't be ashamed of yourself. Look what they say. Outrageous. Reports find 3 trillion in unaccounted government spending in Jamaica. You see that front page? Andrew Holness, the all boat worldwide. My wisdom warriors, between me and you, a full-time Andrew Holness for come down now. Andrew Holness for come down now. But how am I going to move? You hear what the man say? The man say he not stop do him work. Him say he not stop do him work, my wisdom warriors. All them are expose him. Andrew say he not stop do him work. And we the people now have to go get him out. Rotted. Hey, we put the man in. And we put him in, you know, so we forget him out because this man now come out freely at all. So we have to go take him out. But how? Everybody have to come together. Everybody have to come together and remove him because Andrew now go move. Andrew now go move. Listen, Andrew don't care, you know. Andrew just want power. That's all him want. Remember, say, you know, he come out and say he don't care about popularity anymore, you know. A legacy in thing there. And look now, he might walk around and a big. Can you want everybody to vote for him? My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think here, man. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome people. I have a second channel. It is called PNP News Run. Go over there now. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Attack for the Press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.